Leslie, still didn't you go to sleep? I'll sleep, mother. But, you have to tell me a story. Okay, I'll tell you. What story do you want to hear? Hooray! Really, are you going to tell a story? Thank you, Mom. Then, tell me something about moon. Moon seems suspicious to me. My friends were telling that moon is made of rocks. Is that true? What are there on the moon, Mother? Earth's natural satellite, moon is a huge ball of rock. Its surface is covered with hard and loose earth. There are many craters of different sizes on the surface of moon. Mother, where you are? I am lost. I can't see you. Where are you? Please save me, I'm lost. Mother, please come to me. Take me home. I'm lost. Why are you crying, Leslie? Oh, Mother. Here you are. I was thinking that I was lost. Where are we, Mother? You are not lost, my child. We are on the moon, now. Really? I can't believe it. But how could we come here? How do we breathe here? Moon has no atmosphere after all. You have come here in your dream. I'm in a dream. But everything around here seems real to me. What were you talking about, craters? Please tell again. There are so many dark patches on the moon, which are seen by us. That are lower-lying basins, so-called seas and lighter higher plateaus. On the moon. The basins, with the mountains and craters ringing them, were created by gigantic meteorite impacts. The surface of moon has also a large number of huge steep and high mountains. So Mother, was there volcano on the moon sometimes? The volcanic rock layers and craters, created by geological processes, prove that there also used to be active volcano on the moon. Mother, I heard that on the moon, days are extremely hot and nights are extremely cold. Is it true? Yes, it is. Moon's surface warms up to 130 degrees Celsius during the day. But due to very strong radiation it cools down to minus 160 degrees Celsius at night. What is the age of Moon, Mother? How was it formed? Moon was formed about 4.53 billion years ago. Our Moon was the result of a collision between the young Earth and another ancient planet of about the size of Mars. During the collision, a large amount of material was ejected from the Earth's mantle, which started to orbit the Earth, forming a disk. The material of the disk soon collected into a spherical shape, due to gravity, and the Moon was formed. It's very interesting. Then, what is there inside the Moon, Mother? Mother? Where are you? Why can't I see you? Mother, please reply. Still you are sleeping? It's too late. Wake up, Leslie. It's the last time. I'll not call you again. Leslie, can't you hear me? It's too late. Wake up quickly and get fresh. Your breakfast is ready. Where am I? It's my bedroom. So, I was dreaming last night? Okay, I got it. But it was a nice dream. Moon, you are my dream. We grew up hearing the story of the old woman of the moon. Today's little ones grow up that way. But, the real moon is much more mysterious and beautiful than the old woman of the moon. Let's find out the mystery of universe with the help of science. Thank you.